Hi guys, this is what the headlight look like on my car. Then the right headlight does not burn. Then the main beam does not burn. Then the tail light fails. Friends, this is due to the fact that there is a short circuit, the fuse blown, and there is not contact on any headlight. This means that over time the wires in the car dry out and became bare, as a result of which the contact is applied to the ground and a short circuit is obtained. Therefore, it's necessary to identify and fix the problem associated with the wires. And here we need to check our fuse and replace the burned ones with the new ones. It means that my headlight does not burn here. We will understand further. And here, the left fog lamp does not burn. That's all, my friend. I just have to replace the fog lamp bulb and then everything will be fine. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like.